Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan promises to uplift people of Sindh. Prime Minister Imran Khan inaugurated Kamyab Jawan program in Sakhar. Government imposes ban on TLP and notification issued. The federal government imposed a ban on Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan under Anti-Terrorism Act. Federal Cabinet appointed new Finance Minister as PM reshuffles Cabinet. Prime Minister Imran Khan reshuffled his cabinet, appointing Shaukat Tareen as the new Finance Minister and changing portfolios of several ministers. Pakistan temporarily blocks all social media sites. The Pakistan Telecommunication Authority has blocked social media platforms in the country for a few hours. Government slashes petroleum prices for next 15 days. The federal government slashed prices of petroleum products by up to 2 rupees per litre effective from 16th April 2021. Prime Minister and Turkish President discuss US troop pull-out from Afghanistan. Turkish President made a telephone call to Prime Minister Imran Khan and discussed bilateral ties and recent developments in the regions. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.